There are three websites here in Nigeria that I want to show you where you can perform simple tasks and make money for yourself and withdraw it to your local bank account. Okay, if you're new to this channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel and make sure you give this video a like and also share it to your friends. So the first website in my list here is Hugit. You can make money on Hugit by following social media accounts, and also you can make money on this website by referring people. You can also make money on this website by promoting their products as an affiliate marketer. So the first thing is for you to create an account. Use the link in my description box below and make sure you create an account, and after that you activate your account with the sum of 1000 naira, and then you come here to once you activate your account uh, once you activate your account, you are now eligible to earn from this particular website. So you have to click on earn. Once you click on earn, there are two windows here. The first one are those that wants to perform tasks to earn, and the second set of people are those that want to earn as an affiliate marketer to promote Hugit product to earn. So there are physical products here that you can perform and that you can promote and make money. So if you want to perform social tasks, you have to click on get started, and another window will pop up, and then you can see you can post adverts. So here, these ones here, there is no job here for you to perform. So on the engagement tasks window, I have 849 tasks here to perform. So you have to click here. Once you click here, you wait for it to load. So okay, once you click here, you can see following pages, social media pages. You can earn money from here. So you click here. Once you click here, you will see there will be tasks loaded for you to perform. So the second website I want to show you is the one we call Freebies. Freebies, another platform out there that you can make money, and then you can see on this particular platform there are so many. Their payout is a little bit bigger. So you can see this one have 15 naira, so this one is 150 naira. This other one, online survey, 15 naira. To play game, 12 naira. To duet a TikTok video, you have 15 naira. You get 15 naira. To subscribe to this particular YouTube channel, you get 10 naira. And this one is 250 naira if you complete that particular task. So there are so many tasks for you to perform here. If you visit this website and sign up, you have 25 naira. To subscribe and confirm this, you have 25 naira. So these are jobs that you can do anytime you are resting. So while lying on a bed, you can just use that time, to perform simple tasks on this platform and start making money from this platform. And also you can earn from this platform by referring people. So if you refer any one person you refer, you earn 500 naira for per referral. So the next website I want to show you on my list here is Naira Workers. So also on Freebies, you have to pay a sum of 1050 naira to activate your account. This is what they say here. So you can, once you create an account, use my link in the description box below to create an account. So once you create an account on this platform, you can fund your account with this particular wallet here. This is your wallet address, your account number. So just copy this account number. Once you pay 1050 naira, look at it, 1050 naira to this particular platform, you make your account will be activated and you can start earning from this particular website. So for those that are not Nigerians, you pay $5 to your account to activate your dollar account. So just click to switch to dollar and it will be switched to dollar account, and everything here will be on dollars and not naira, and then you can withdraw it to your local bank account. So the third website I want to share with you is Naira Workers. So on Naira Workers, there are jobs here that you can perform to make money. You can see for this particular beginner forex beginner class, to join this class you earn 82 naira. This one you earn 54 naira, 24 naira, 24 naira, 54 naira, 100 naira to install this particular app, and so on and so forth. And also you can earn by referring people to this particular platform. So if you refer people to this particular website, you earn money from it. So you have the so the next thing is for you to click on my link in the description box below and sign up to this platform and start making money from it. And then you can withdraw all these. There are payment proof. You can withdraw them to your local bank account. So if this you found this video helpful, so please kindly subscribe to this channel and make sure you like this video and share it to your friends. So thanks for watching. We shall see in our next video.